Hi there. We're going to take a look at evaluating an expression using the order of operations. Now, just as a reminder, our order of operations tells us we do parentheses first. It's any grouping symbols, not just parentheses, but maybe brackets. Then we do exponents. Then we do multiplication or division. Then we do addition or subtraction. So notice in this problem, we don't have any parentheses. So I get to skip that step. So next we would go to the exponents. Now the exponents I see here are this 3 to the third, that little power up there that is an exponent. And a lot of people think that just means to do 3 times 3, but it actually doesn't. What that means is to write this 3 times and multiply them. So we're going to write it 3 times and then we multiply in between. So 3 times 3 times 3. That gives me 27. So I'm going to rewrite the entire problem. And now I'm going to mark that step off because we did it. Now we're going to multiply or divide in order from left to right. So we actually are going to do the division first because it comes first when we are working from left to right. So I'm just going to underline here what we're going to do. We're going to do the 12 divided by 4. That is 3. So I'm going to replace that with a 3. I've still got the times 6 times 27 minus 10. And now I've got to do the multiplication. The next thing in order from left to right is the multiplication there. So I'm going to do that. 3 times 6 gives me the 18. And then I'm going to do the 18 times 27. I'm probably going to be using a calculator on that. No worries. You definitely can do that. That gives me 486. And then, of course, I'm going to subtract the 10. So I get 476. Now, I'm hoping that you do use the Desmos graphing calculator to check this out. So I'm going to link it below in the description so that you can access it. Type in the expression just as is, and we'll give you a value so you can check your answer. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love the opportunity to help. And as always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get a notification every time a new video is posted.